Hi everyone, this is Alan with Lesson 10 Dialogue 1 Important Characters Part 2. This is the second half. Let's take a look and see what important characters we have for this lesson. Okay, here we have 先 we've had before. 先生 as part of that. In this lesson it means a little different. Means like before. This thing is going to happen first. First we do this. And then we do something else. 然后. And then finally 最后. So some time sequencing verbs or words there. And then finally we have a couple more verbs for taking a taxi, 打车, or driving a car, 开车. And then for review we have 他去工作, 吃饭, 做, which we just had in this last part 1, and then 回家, 回家. Right, needs to know that. So let's take a look and see how to write these words with our special guest Pingyu here as well. Going to write these words for us.
Okay.
First up is 先. 我们先写先. So that's pretty good. Next one is 然后.
然后写然后.
然后写然后. Okay, 然后, 先然后 and you may remember 时候的后就不一样了，对吗？
对。
时候的后 yeah. Let's take a look at what 时候 looks like. Sometimes a lot of people get those two, not necessarily confused, but they put the wrong one in at the wrong time. Because they're both kind of related to time, so this is 时候的后. Okay, great. Next we have 最后. 最后 is the last thing you do. 最后. Okay. And then we have 打车. 打车. And then finally, if we're not going to 打车, we'll need to have our own car in order to 开车. Great. So before we leave for today, I want to kind of go over the other characters that you'll need for dictation. So really quickly, we'll write 他. Remember this as a pronoun. We learned a different pronoun a couple lessons ago for it, but this is 他 for he. We have 去. And you can 去工作. And if you don't 去工作, you might 去吃饭. And then we have 做. 做 was one that we just learned a little bit ago. That shouldn't be surprising to anyone. And finally, 回家, to return home. 你几点钟回家? 今天我大概5点钟就回家. Great. So that's it for this lesson. Practice these until you can write them from memory. That means without looking at the book and looking at this video. And we'll see you in class. 再见.
再见.